How to fix iOS 18 call recording not working. Here's how to fix it on iPhone. If you are experiencing issues with the call recording feature on your iPhone running iOS 18, several factors could be responsible. Here's a guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. 1. Verify feature availability in your region. Apple's call recording feature is not available in certain regions due to local regulations. Notably, it is unavailable in the European Union, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Morocco, Nigeria, Oman, Pakistan, Qatar, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. If you are in one of these regions, the feature will not be accessible. 2. Update to the latest iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, as Apple may release updates that address known issues. To check for updates, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. 3. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. Press and hold the power button along with either the volume up or volume down button until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. After the device turns off, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. 4. Check language and region settings. Some users have reported that changing the region settings can enable the call recording feature. Navigate to Settings, General, Language and Region. Tap on Region and select a country where the feature is available. Restart your iPhone and check if the call recording option appears. 5. Use iOS repair tools. If the issue persists, consider using an iOS repair tool to fix potential system glitches. Tools like iPhone Fix Pro can help resolve such issues without data loss. 6. Contact Apple support. If none of the above solutions work, it's advisable to contact Apple support for further assistance.